Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't even know what to say. I just have no excuse for my actions. I've been gone for how long? Like a month and a half maybe. I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. Like, that's where I'm at. So I was like, you know what? I had like all these plans, like I'm gonna film this and that, and I was like, no, I need to just do like a quick little just, hey, this is what's going on with my life, to get back into the swing of doing my videos. I bet you guys were like, oh, she's not coming back. I sure was. I never planned on leaving totally. I needed a break. Mentally, physically, emotionally, I needed a break. So I bought a house. I don't know if you guys know that. If you watched my channel before, you would know that I bought a house. Pretty much was just getting moved in, getting settled. I'm an esthetician, so I have my own business where I travel to people's houses and do lash extensions, makeup, whatnot. So I'm so grateful that that's picking up, and I've been doing really well with it. So I was really busy with that and the move. And YouTube kind of just like got lost in translation. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to actually, like, the room I'm in right now has like a little bed for my lashes, and like it's my little like gonna be my little aesthetics salon room, I suppose, in my basement. I'm gonna show you it, not right now, but I'm gonna show you it and my house. The room is, it's all right, you know, but it could be better, it could be worse, but for now it will do. So yeah, last night I finally got it set up. Like, I have this couch that's like so old from my grandma's house, and I put like just a cover on it, like one of those like love seat covers. And Lily, come here. And it's so ghetto down here, of course. Wait, look, did I tell you guys how I had a dog and how I wanted to get her back, and then I wasn't gonna get her back? Well, look, I got her back. Say hi, Laylee. Say hi. Oh, we're so out of focus. There she is, my little puppy. Oh, she's the sweetest dog ever. So yes, I got her back 2 weeks ago. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to, and luckily the people that had her did give her back to me. She was Sean and I's dog, like my son's dad, that was his dog. She's been through a lot, man, a lot of owners, and then I had her at the end of my addiction, and I just like, I feel like I really could have been better, and I hate to say that, but I could have been. So getting her back was just really important to me. So yeah, got her back 2 weeks ago. She had like 3 different kinds of ear infections. She just had a lot going on. So I had to deal with that. She has really bad separation anxiety, so she was tearing up the house when I would leave. It just was a lot, but I have her back and I'm so happy. Oh, my little puppy. Guys, check this out. I'm totes getting lash extensions. I keep saying totes and my boyfriend hates it, which I feel like I haven't even told you guys I have a boyfriend, so I have to tell you so much. But I totes have been getting lash extensions on, and I'm totes obsessed, which sucks because I love strip lashes, and for my looks I still want to do strips, but like I can't resist. Dang, that one keeps getting stuck. So I'm gonna have to, you know how I am, like so off track when I'm filming. So I'm gonna have to double up. I'm gonna have to put strips over these, I guess, for my lash looks, or like for my makeup looks, or take a break. I don't know, but I really I love my strip lashes, so I don't know what to do. But yeah, so anywho, I have no makeup on. What do you think? Ew, I lost so much weight in my face. When I get really stressed, I can't keep the weight on. Like, I used to be totally opposite, and now it's like, I don't know what it is. I just can't keep the weight on. What do you think of my hair? I went dark. My hair is totally demolished from, oh, my hair is just literally demolished from the bleach. So I'm gonna stay dark for a while. When my makeup's done, I feel like it looks better. I look a little pale right now. Ooh, a little pasty, and this lighting is not flattering whatsoever for me. Lord have mercy. Ew, look at that. I like wish I could cover my entire face with this hat. I'm not even kidding. Anyway, so I went dark. Guys, listen. This is me saying it so then I have to do it. I'm doing a makeup look tomorrow. I'm gonna put forth a lot of effort on a crazy eye look. I have to. I'm so out of the loop. Like, what's going on with me? You know, I thought about it and then I was like, maybe I'm just gonna do my like real life aesthetics and have my salon and open a salon and have that be my focus. But like, as much as I love it so much and I want to do that, like I plan on having a salon, but like I cannot get over the fact that like this is like, I keep coming back to it. I'm like, no, like just doing makeup looks and having like a career this way, it's just so important to me. I can't let it go. I just can't let it go. So it's like, I'm gonna keep trying. And even though this stinks that I took such a long break and my station was so small, so I probably totally effed myself, but that's all right. You know, like I'll deal. I feel like it'll be all right. You know, like I don't know what I'll have to do to bring my station back. I guess I'll have to do makeup naked or something. Like I don't know. Like, what am I gonna do to get my station back? I don't know. Oh my God. Well, I'm in such a good mood. It makes me happy when I'm in a good mood. I seriously can sit down and talk to the camera like it's like a person. Like, I don't understand why I'm like this. And I feel like you guys really probably don't even want to hear me talk, but I do it anyway. And I'm like, oh yeah, my video didn't get any views and I like keep posting, cool. But whatever, yeah, but no, in all seriousness, so this week for sure, I will get out 2 more videos. I'm gonna get out a makeup video of some sort. And then I am gonna get out a Marshalls video, because guys, let me tell you, I was in Marshalls yesterday and like blown the F away. Like I could not even believe the level of high-end makeup that was there. I was literally like wetting myself. I was so excited. And of course I have my little GoPro and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna film. And I didn't have my SD card. So I gotta go back. Gots to go back. I have the Alien palette here for the giveaway. So Soup's excited about that. I literally have Jeffree Star products that I ordered like a month and a half ago that I haven't even unboxed. And it was like when it was like the launch of the new highlighters. Like how pathetic is that? That's literally how behind I am. So if I was to do some kind of makeup video, what should I do this week? Aside from the Marshalls makeup, what should I do? And then, oh my God, I have a video. So guys, listen, my channel like pretty much sucks and I'm like aware and I just don't even care because it's a train wreck. My station is like my life. It's like a train wreck that you can't look away from once you see it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's what this could possibly be. But anyway, so of course no one wants to watch my makeup videos because it's like, dude, I suck. I get that. But the only video that's taking off is me peeling the skin off my feet. Like just me like peeling the skin off my feet. So I'm like, oh, all right, if that's what they want to see, that's what they're gonna get. So you guys might have some more foot peeling action coming your way. I think I talked enough nonsense though. So I'm gonna go. I will be back this week. Absolutely, positively, 100% promise. Head to my Instagram. I have a Jeffree Star giveaway going on right now, and that's where I post my makeup looks. I know it's a little shaky right now, but we're gonna get back into the swing of it, that I promise. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the new background. I'm trying to like figure stuff out, and I always do this. I like place everything in the center of me and then you can't see it. Like literally, I do this every time. Is that better? You still can't, you just can't see my little cloud. 'Cause I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. Isn't that a song? All right, I'm leaving. I put this together. This is some junky AF Walmart thing. Like, ugh. My realtor made me signs. She made me that one. She asked me my favorite quotes, and they're HOPE. The acronym for hope and fear. Like, hope is hold on, pain ends, and fear is face everything and recover. And she made them for me, and I had them both hanging. But the way they were, like, my setup was all goofy, so I was like, I'm putting the hope in the center. And, like, I like it for now, so yeah. Okay, I really am leaving. All right, love you guys. Bye.